Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for project management. First, begin by creating a new page and selecting a project management template or starting from scratch. This initial setup allows you to define your project's scope and structure. Notion's versatility means you can adapt it to any methodology, whether agile, waterfall, or a hybrid approach. It serves as a central hub for all your project-related information, fostering clarity and organization from day one. Next, focus on building your project's core structure using databases. A central task database is crucial, allowing you to track every item. Add essential properties like status to monitor progress, due date for deadlines, and assignee for clear responsibilities. Experiment with various views, such as a Kanban board for workflow visualization or a calendar view for scheduling. This customization ensures your workspace perfectly aligns with your team's operational style. Effective task management and collaboration are key. Assign tasks to specific team members using the person property, ensuring accountability. Encourage communication by utilizing the comment feature on individual tasks for discussions, feedback, and updates. You can also link related documents, meeting notes, or other Notion pages directly to tasks, creating a comprehensive information network. This integrated approach keeps everyone informed and aligned throughout the project lifecycle. To maximize efficiency, explore Notion's advanced features. Utilize pre-built or custom templates for recurring projects or specific task types, saving valuable setup time. Consider integrating Notion with other tools to automate workflows, such as syncing calendar events or notifications. Regularly review and update your project pages to maintain accuracy and relevance. This proactive approach ensures your Notion workspace remains a dynamic and powerful project management tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.